next one is draw the graphs of the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shape the triangular region. We will deal with the first question. Draw the graph of the equation x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y equal to 12. So I have taken the table for both the equation. So 3x plus 2y equal to 12. To find the point, what I should do? Put the value of x as 0. So what we get is 2y is equal to 12, giving you the value of y as 6. Same way to find the next point, put the value of y as 0. So 3x equal to 12, giving you the value of x as 4. So we are getting 2 points, 0, 6 and 4, 0. So we will plot it. 0, 6 will be here and 4, 0 will be here. So join these 2 points with a straight line. Again, second equation given is x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. There also, to find the point, put the value of x as 0. When x equal to 0, minus y plus 1 equal to 0, which gives you the value of y as 1. And when y takes the value 0, x plus 1 will be equal to 0, giving you the value of x as minus 1. So again, we have 2 points, 0, 1. 0, 1 will be the point here. And minus 1, 0. Minus 1, 0 will be the point here. Okay, so join these two lines. So when we join those points, we are getting lines like this. This is the line corresponding to x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. And this is the line corresponding to 3x plus 2y equal to 12. That is the first part of the question. What's the second part? Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. For a triangle, there must be 3 sides, isn't it? Formed by these lines. We are getting 2 lines and those 2 lines make 2 sides of the triangle. And what about the third side? Third side will be the x-axis. So we have to find the coordinates of the triangle in which one side is the line which we got by using this equation. Second side is the line corresponding to this equation. And the third side will be the x-axis. And we have to shade the triangular region. Then can you say which is the triangle? Which is the triangle formed by x-axis and those 2 lines? This is the x-axis. If I put a scale here, this is the x-axis. And this line is, if I put another one, this line represents one of the equation. Okay, and the third one will be here. And can you see the triangle formed by these two lines and the x-axis? This is the triangle. So the last question is to shade the triangle. We will do it. While shading, don't avoid this portion. This is also there. Shade the region. So this is the triangle which we have shaded. Again, the second question was to find the coordinates. So if I am marking this will be one of the vertex A. This will be the second vertex B. And let this be the third vertex C. As A is the point here, to find the x coordinate and y coordinate, just draw a perpendicular line from that point to the x coordinate, and the corresponding point on the x axis is 2. That will be the x coordinate of the point 2. And to find the y coordinate, what we will do? We will draw a perpendicular line to the y axis, and the meeting point, you can see it as 3. So 3 will be the y coordinate of the point A. Okay, again, what about the coordinates of B? B is on the x-axis. If B is on the x-axis, its y coordinate will be 0. Okay, and at which point B is minus 1. So the coordinate of B is minus 1, 0. Same way, C also lies on the y-axis. X-axis. That means y coordinate is 0. What about the x coordinate? It lies on the point 4. So 4 will be the x coordinate. Therefore, we can write the vertices. Vertices of triangle ABC are, you can write the vertices. A is 2, 3. B is minus 1, 0. And C is 4, 0. So these are the vertices. And the third part was to shade, that we already did. Okay.